Drone check, extra batteries and everything else I need, check. Got my food, check. My puffy and my shell, check. My backpack, walking poles and my trail running shoes, check. I think I'm ready to go. Well, welcome. Today we're going to do Dodo Peak. It's a bit of an approach. We're going to be tenting on the way in and on the way out. Most of the time we go to the mountain huts, and that makes life much easier. You don't have to carry any of that extra gear with you. But this is going to be a fun one. It's another SOTA summit, so my buddy Paul is going to be making ham radio contacts from the summit. This also is not in a park, so I can fly my drone. I'm kind of excited about that. Most of the really tall, aggressive mountains are in the national parks, so it gets harder to do that. Forrest loves to go out of his way to bushwhack when it comes to getting those drone shots. Now I've got to get the rest of my stuff packed up and then hit the road. Everything is packed. I'm ready to go. It's early in the morning. Marilyn is still in bed. So I'm just gonna say goodbye and it all begins.
Love you.
Love you too. Have fun.
For all the road noise. This is a loud vehicle. They didn't make them in the 80s like they make them now, quiet. But what they did do is make them last forever. This one already has 350,000 kilometers on it. We just got it. I expect it's going to last probably as long as any other vehicle we've had. Since I've had a vehicle with a manual transmission. I feel like I'm learning all over again. Well, after a bathroom break to that lovely outhouse over there, these areas are great for that. We are on our way. It's looking like it's going to be about maybe 20K. We're not too sure. We'll find out when we get there. So today is just go as far as we can, as fast as we can, and yeah. Alrighty. Well, I'll follow you.
Alrighty. Here we go. Whew. That is cool. Oh, come on. My sock does not want to cooperate.
No.
It's a multi-layer one, so that's part of the problem. The inner one wants to stick to my foot.
I'm going to put my car keys in the back of this top pocket. So if I have to fish my corpse off the mountain, it's right in here.
Okay. It's always good to know.
Yeah.
Oh, come on. There we go. It's a little wobbly. Nothing like trying to keep your balance on wobbly rocks. Ooh, calf cramp. Yeah, this one goes straight here in front of us. Can you see that straight line on the map?
Yeah.
Does it show you, like, are we looking down that straight line yet, or do we have to?
Not yet. We still got to go.
Oh yeah, so we're on it. So yeah, just follow this.
Follow it down.
Actually, I think I can see. It does look like an old road bed.
He's getting out of the way, isn't he? Yeah, he didn't see us until now, did he?
No, I don't think so. Because yeah, as soon as he caught wind,
He kind of took off.
yeah. Yeah, you better run.
We don't need you around.
Well, we just saw the bear, and now we're seeing tracks. It's pretty big. I'm calling wolf or else big cat. I know some of the cats have some pretty massive paws for their body size, but it's hard to tell. Either way, Wildlife galore up here. This is a hunter's heaven. In fact, I'm surprised we haven't come across any yet. There are some horse outfitters up around in here somewhere. We've seen the tracks, not so much where we're at now, but back before. Kind of expected we might pass some, but no dice. Well, back to the grind. Well, dinner is done. Campfire was kind of amazing and unexpected.
Yeah, that was nice.
And now it's bedtime. What time is it? 9:30?
Yep, 10 o'clock.
10 o'clock?
Yeah.
It's a good time to get to bed.
Yeah, it is.
Who knows what tomorrow holds. We're still
14, 15-ish K from Dodo Peak. So a little further than we expected. I don't know, we'll go explore one way or another. Bedtime now. Wake up in the morning. I don't know if we'll set a time. If we're going to bed at 10, we'll probably be up at like 7 or 8 at the latest anyways.
I put these right in my socks.
The warmers?
Yeah, I have.
Guess there's worse ways to stay warm. Good night.